All right, we're back at 1-800-737-2474. And on the house hotline is a special guest from Fort Worth, Texas. It's Roger Gilley. He's with Weyerhaeuser. Hey, Roger, how you doing? I'm sorry, I didn't have you turned up on the phone, Roger. How you doing, bub?
Oh, I'm doing great. How are you this morning?
Good. So, first of all, before we begin, just give me a little background. What are you doing at Weyerhaeuser?
So I'm a business development manager, and I work with Weyerhaeuser Distribution. So we have 17 distribution centers across the country, and we supply dealers and lumber yards with many of the lumber and building material products that are used inside and outside the home.
So we're in National Curb Appeal Month, and that's why we called you, because, it's time for everyone to take a good look at their home's exterior and decide on some improvements that give a house curb appeal. That's what gives a house its value. Am I going in the right direction for you, Roger?
Absolutely.
Okay. So why is curb appeal so important? Tell me from your perspective.
Well, while the design of a house, I think, should fit in with the other homes in the neighborhood, ultimately you want your house to stand out and be unique and have its own personality.
Mm-hmm.
Curb appeal creates a great first impression with your guests, and really great curb appeal grabs prospective buyers too, so it can add more resale value to your home.
So I guess according to this 2016 cost versus value study from Remodeling Magazine, by the way, that study was originally designed by a guy named Don Logay, who's a close friend of mine, and he originally did it in Remodeling Magazine, and then it took off into the big national consumer magazines. I don't know which one it was, Time Magazine or Look or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, now Remodeling Magazine owns it. Manufactured stone veneer will give you back 92.9% return. Is that amazing or what?
You can't ask for much more than that.
And I guess siding replacement, 77%, and wood decking, 75%. So don't you guys sell all of that junk?
We do, in fact, sell all of that.
So what's this about? So you're with Weyerhaeuser. Tell me a little bit about their stone veneers, because I know that is something that can really pick up the appearance of a house.
We sell stone veneer from environmental stoneworks called Clipstone, and it's a really unique product. It's very easy to install. It's mortarless, and so it's really easy to use both inside and outside the home, creating wainscoting or accent walls or just about anything that you want to do without a lot of mess and in a short period of time.
We got a little break to take. We got to do some business to pay for the show, Roger. You hold on. We'll be back with more on the house and Roger Gilley right after this. And back to the phones and to Roger Gilley from Weyerhaeuser. Hey, Roger, you there?
I'm here.
What's the best way to access your home's curb appeal, Roger?
I think just, be critical. Stand on the street and try to see your home as others see it. And look at your siding. Is the paint peeling? Can you see trim or other elements that should be updated or repaired? How does the landscaping look?
There you go. I know you know the solutions, and I have an idea of the solutions. Let's chat about the solutions. Give me some ideas, bub.
Well, we prefer low-maintenance products that have really strong warranties. So for new siding, for instance, we would choose James Hardie fiber cement.
I love James Hardie fiber cement siding. That is my number one choice of siding. It's the easiest to apply. It's the best. It holds paint better than any other siding. Boy, you hit my hot button. What else?
PVC trim. A lot of people like PVC trim and moldings for the low maintenance look. Ply Gem makes a great line of those products.
Okay.
As I mentioned, the Clipstone stone veneer
Now, tell me about this clipstone. How does that work? What do you do? Put on a ledger and then clip it to the ledger?
Well, it's interesting because clipstone, what's unique about it is that it actually has little metal legs built into the back of the product, and those actually you screw those on to a wood substrate, and then the next stone on top of it just locks down on that one. The other cool thing about that is that the clips on the back of the stone actually hold the stone off the wall and allow for water drainage behind the product.
Wow.
Really neat.
Give me some more.
The other thing that we like is you can create a new front porch with you could use cedar flooring, for instance, and put up a really neat vertical cable railing on your around your porch, make it very modern.
So tell me a little bit about what all these products have in common. I know there's some commonality to them.
Yeah, well, basically, all of these products are resistant to moisture, rot, insect damage. They all hold color well if they're painted or stained. They're durable, and they last a very long time with simple maintenance.
I got to tell you something.
Increase the value of your home.
I got to tell you something. If all of these products work like James Hardie fiber cement siding, they're great products. Mention them again for me one more time, would you please, Roger?
Sure. So Ply Gem, PVC trim and moldings.
Okay.
James Hardie fiber cement siding.
Got it.
Clipstone mortarless stone veneer.
Got it.
And then vertical cable railing and cedar flooring, and is among the many exterior products that Weyerhaeuser sells nationwide.
Roger Gilley, how do people find out more about Weyerhaeuser's products?
You can go to our website, www.woodbywy, that's WOODBYWY.com. www.woodbywy.com. Wood by WY. I guess that's Wood by Weyerhaeuser, huh? Yes, sir.
Okay, Wood by Weyerhaeuser. That's the trick. Thank you, Roger Gilley. It was interesting speaking with you, and thank you for all the good information.
Thanks, Morris. Have
all
a good
right.
day.
Talk to you later, Roger. And all of the comments that Roger's made and how to get in touch with Weyerhaeuser and the products that we've discussed will be available on our website. Go to show notes at onthehouse.com.
You can listen to the podcast and all that good stuff.
Oh, yeah, baby.